Hi everyone and welcome back to another video by Less Tax to Pay. Today we're going to be looking at QuickBooks and how to add products/services so you can make your invoicing very automated and very quick, so you're not having to sit there every time and type. Now there are a couple of ways to do this, and I'm going to show both ways very quickly and show how you could create a particular product or a particular service, and then what you would do going forward about selecting that and how the defaults would appear. But before I continue, as I always say, if you like the video, drop a like. If you're finding these useful, just drop a comment, say well done, thank you, yeah, that was really useful, or no, it wasn't very clear, can you just clarify a point for this and that? Then we'll always do that, that's not a problem. And also subscribe and hit that bell notification, because we're uploading a lot of content every week now, 4 to 5 videos a week about all different kinds of software, but we always include QuickBooks Zero, Free Agent, Sage, Cashflow. We'll do some on Receipt Bank, we'll do some on Excel. So we'll be doing a lot of different varying parts of software over the coming weeks. So let's get into the video. You can see now we're at our dashboard and we want to start adding a product. So there are, like I said, two options. You can either go to Sales, Products and Services, and you can see here various products that we have in there, but let's go and create a new one. Now we have different options here. So if it's an actual product and you want to keep track of the quantities, or it's a product that you don't want to keep a track of the quantities. So this is the difference between these two, stock and non-stock. Okay, stock is you want to keep track of the quantities, so you're going to have ins and outs. Non-stock is you're going to have items that you just don't want to keep track of the stock of, like it says in nuts and bolts used in an installation. You've also got services. So this is where you do, if you're a service-based company, so like us as an accountancy practice, we'd obviously have our monthly accounting services, but then if there's any extras that we do, if there's the furlough scheme charge that we charge clients, self-assessment fees, the company's house filing fee, company formations, they're all different services that we offer, and we put them in our system as products for our service. So when we create the invoicing, it's very, very easy and very, very quick. And then you have a bundle, so a collection of products or services that you sell together, for example, a gift basket of fruit, cheese and wine. But what we're going to concentrate on today, I don't really get involved in bundles, I'm going to be completely honest, but what I'm going to do is just do the services just to show you how to create a product, and do a stock item as well, so you can see how you'd keep track of the stock and everything else. So let's just start with a service. So you give it a name. So today we'll give it monthly bookkeeping service. You give it a code, so you can, this could be anything for you, BKS01, the category that it'll fall under. So now you can create the different categories that it would fall under. So I'll just go general services. Now you might have different categories in there for you, so you can obviously very sort of customize this to you. And also a class, so if you really want to give it a class, you can also do that. I want to sell this product to my customers, so you get a description on the invoice. So monthly bookkeeping services. If I can type, that'd help. And the sale and rate. So if you're doing, I don't know, £30 an hour, the income account is services. Well, you just put it under sales, and the tax will be 20%. Obviously, because we're VAT registered, it's not. It's inclusive of VAT. We'll put this one. Okay. So we'll save and close that. Now that's created a service for us. So now if we went to go and just create a very quick invoice, I won't put any client details in, but I just want to give the idea. So if I type book, you can see monthly bookkeeping services. Okay, so I type that in. It's got £25 plus VAT per hour, because I've already set that it's £30 including VAT. Now I'm going to put the quantity of hours in, and it'll work it all out for me. So very quickly I can make my invoicing very automated without having to do lots of typing. So if there's general specific tasks that you do, this is the way to go. Now I'm just going to come out of this, and I'm going to create a stock item. Okay, so we go again, sales, products and services, new, stock. So again, I'll call this company. Okay, CSO1, category I'll just put under general services again, won't assign it to class. Initial quantity at hand, so I'll say 100. As at today's date, so that's the 7th. The low stock level would be 10. Stock asset account, stock asset. Is it stock asset? Yeah, stock asset. Description on forms is company formations. And for instance, we sell those at £100 plus VAT. I'll go into that and we get that. Okay, now it's asking for the purchase information. I'm saying it's a stock item. So the description on the themes will be company formations. Not very good at typing today. And the cost will be £50. Okay, that's not inclusive of price. The purchase tax will be 20%. And the preferred supplier will be, I'll just pick that one. Okay. So what that will do is that will then alert you to when the level comes in, but also you can adjust the quantity. Okay, so that's how you add a stock item. The other way you can add these items is if you're actually in the invoice, create the invoice, and you're going, this is a brand new service to me, it's something I've not done before, so now I'm going to do, for us it'll be registered office, start charging separately for it. So we usually bundle it in with ours. It's a service, registered office. You can see you can add it just very quickly here. Provision for registered office, and the price for that per year is £100. So you can see that's inclusive of, I'll do that as inclusive, and the tax rate is 20%. Very quickly generated another product slash service. You can do the same for stock items or non-stock items. So it's really down to you how you want to do it. And then obviously you can then just create the invoice and send it out. All right. So just to recap on what we've done today is we've created a service product and we created a stock product. And then you can obviously add as many products as you want. But what I would do is I would keep it to, if it's service based, I'd keep it to the core of what you do. Don't think of every single possible service that you do, because you could be sitting there for a long time and go, well, I haven't done that before, I'll create it. And you're just creating product service codes for the sake of service codes. I'd keep it to the core of what you do as a business. So like I said, for us as an accountancy practice, it'll be accounts, payroll, VAT, CIS, corporation tax, self-assessments, company formations, company sales filing fees, furlough scheme, charge that we have, just those general ones. And then if there's anything else, you just create a invoice for the ad hoc stuff that you do. But that's it for today. And until next time, be safe. But like I said at the start of the video, subscribe to the page, hit that bell notification where you get notified when we upload. If you like the video, drop a like, and also just drop me a comment. Helpful, not helpful, need a bit of clarity. We always answer all the comments. But until next time, be safe.